Alright, what's up everyone? I know it's been a while. Only because Benya hasn't fucking edited any of the videos, but I got Angel.
What's up, guys?
I can't really see you.
What's up?
And we're gonna do it before right now we're gonna do it before of how his car sounds, because we got something for his engine and it's gonna make it sound a lot nicer now that boost weather is finally here.
Hey, boost weather, bro.
Boost weather, huh? Alright then, well, I'm gonna try to get some clips of it kind of sounding, of us kind of like getting the turbo noises, but we'll definitely get some more after the install. Alright, catch you guys right now. Yeah, I kind of heard that one.
Yeah, a little bit. Bro, you hear that, bro?
I heard that. So what are we doing today? And what are we installing?
PRL. Honestly, I thought it was the best brand. I didn't like the other ones.
Alright.
But there's like there's the race one and the street one.
What'd you get?
The street one. Cause the race one you have to have the K tuner and shit.
Oh shit.
So I didn't have that yet, so I was just like, nah, I'll wait on that one.
Uh-huh.
I got it. I was like, fuck, I might need it.
That's just to take off the... Bro, all that just to see the air filter?
Yeah, there's my math right there.
How dirty is it?
They should be clean, bro. Yeah. I actually like their filters. I don't know if this is stock one or not, but
yeah, they are.
These are stock?
Yeah,
you saw it?
They're stock. Alright, now those bolts down there.
This is crazy, though. Like, this house.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
Oh, let me take off the boot.
Alright. Well, Angel's trying to get off the boot. Huh?
You have Allen keys, right?
Yeah, I do. You need it?
Yeah. Like the smallest thing.
I'll bring the whole kit.
Alright.
So I took off this trim on my car because it was popping off. After I got it, after I got it from the body shop, so many like things and like flaws that. So I went in for one thing and I came back for more things. And now I have to fix it because I waited too long to say anything, and well, now I have to fix it. Well, hopefully it's not too much money.
Damn, bro, that's literally it. Oh, the Cobra one would go down there. Dude, what the fuck? Maybe I don't even take off the fender.
The bumper?
Yeah.
For what, the long?
The Cobra one? Because it literally snakes down here or some shit.
Damn, bro, you can see everything.
Bro, there's usually so much room. Like, you can actually mess with the transmission and shit.
Yeah, I know.
Next right here in the air box room.
Bro, easiest install.
Dude, I want to get that one filter. That's like the, I don't know, it looks like a sponge.
Like a sponge?
Yeah, you haven't seen that one? That one looks cool as fuck.
No, I haven't seen that. Just be careful not messing up with the these things. This Peña did is I don't know what they're called. The actual like filter part of it. He bent them. Yeah, he bent them.
What the fuck? How do you do that? Well,
He bent
that
them.
doesn't make sense, bro.
He bent them because he had to force it in. I'm like, bro, how?
It was all gorilla gripping that shit. Just put it like that, huh?
Yeah. With the PRL.
Do you have fly? Oh, wait, actually, maybe I might fit an 8. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. Why is it so fucking blurry? There we go. I don't think you can see it. What's that side?
Alright. Well, we're gonna leave everything right here. We're gonna come back so that way we can install the short shifter. But alright, let's try to get some sound clips of this new PRL intake for my homies SI.
Bro! What?
I told you you'd be able to hear a lot more.
Bro, I'm freaking out right now, bro. Duh. Bro.
I told you.
Bro. Duh. Nah, bro, that's crazy.
I told you, bro. I told you.
Bro.
You hear a lot more now, huh?
Bro, I'm tripping balls, bro. Bro, I'm so wet right now, bro. Holy shit, bro. Dog.
Alright, well, we just got back from the intake after results, and that thing sounded insane.
Bro, dog, that was different, bro. That got me so excited, bro.
That thing sounded insane. Alright, what's next?
So next is short shifter install.
Well, we got we got the short shifter on, and we basically took apart the whole center console, like up to the climate control, all this, trim panels,
Literally everything.
and
Fucking annoying.
yeah. But honestly, what do you think? Your review?
I can feel a difference, but not crazy, I guess.
Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot shorter.
I thought it was literally gonna be like,
Yeah,
but
that's exactly how I thought. Are
I mean,
you
it's
are you
alright.
stoked about it?
whatever about it.
What about the intake?
The intake's fucking sweet, bro. The intake's sweet as fuck.
Oh, you fucked that one.
I forgot
man,
how you guys do it, bro.
Sheesh. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. So like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.